How are you?
I am fine. I am fit as a fiddle.
Hmm.
Thank you. How about you?
Yes, I'm doing great. I'm also fit as a feeder. Thank you so much for asking. So, how has your day been so far? How has your day been so far? How's your day going?
My, my day is going well.
Your day is going well. So, where
My
are
day
you
is
at the
going well.
moment? Okay, that sounds great. Where are you at the
Mom,
moment?
I am at school.
So, you are at your mother's school, right?
No, I am at my school.
Okay, is it your
I
school?
study there.
Okay, so
Yes,
why did
yes.
you come here? What happened? Why did you come here? Hmm? Has your school started?
Ma'am, I,
Has your school
no,
restarted
ma'am.
or is there any PTM?
Ma'am, my mother was coming 5 days, so I am also coming
You came with your mother.
to
Okay,
complete
great.
my holiday.
So what are you doing there?
I am coming. I am studying in library. Studying my. I am doing my holiday homework.
So there are more kids over there? There are more kids?
And what is mortgage?
Like there are too many kids or you are just alone there?
No, many teachers
Like
are there.
many students? There are many students over there or you are the only
Many
one?
teachers.
Many teachers.
I am student.
Okay, you are the only one. So you are just sitting in the library and doing your work.
No, ma'am. I have gone to library to read books. Mm,
Mhm.
I and my mother, me and my mother sit in one class and doing our work.
That sounds great. Where is your sister?
At Nani house.
Okay, she is at her nanny's house. She is my nanny's house.
She
Very good. Yes. So what
she
does
is
she?
at the Nani
So
house.
what does she play there? Does she play any game?
And then she sees phone also.
Sorry,
She sees phone and plays ball.
she plays with the ball, right?
Yes,
Wait.
with our mamu.
Okay. Okay, with your mamu. What does your maternal uncle do? What does your
Who?
What does your maternal uncle do? Maternal
No
uncle means Mama
maternal.
ji. Mama ji. So what does your mama do?
Yes, ma'am.
What does your mama do?
My mamu.
He is a working professional. How will you say? He is.
मामू मामू मैम आई मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं समझ आ रही इस
Okay.
लाइन की
Yes. So how? Like what does your mama do? मतलब आपके मामा
मामू
क्या
मेक
करते हैं?
पजामा
मामा क्या करते हैं? How will you say?
मामू मेक पजामा
Yes. He is a.
मामू माय मामू मेक पजामा
Okay. So you can say he is a working professional.
ही इज अ
Working professional.
वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल
Yes. He is a working professional. Okay.
ही इज अ
Can you tell me spelling of professional?
प्रोफेशनल
Hmm.
पी आर पी आर ओ
Hmm.
ए 1 minute मैम
Yes. Yes. Go on.
पी आर ओ एफ ई डबल एफ ई
No. First of all, tell me profession. Pro. Profesh. F-E-double-S.
F-E-double-N.
No, F-E-double-S. I-O-N.
F-E-double-S.
I-O-N.
I-O-N.
Profession.
Profession.
Profession. But I said professional, then you have to use A-L at the end. After N, you have to write A-L. Professional. A-L.
In professional, its spelling is Professional.
Yes, very good, very good. Excellent. Yes. So he is a working professional. What does your mommies do?
Mommy.
Yes. What does your maternal aunt do? Yes.
My mommy is homemaker.
Yes. How will you say she is a homemaker?
She is homemaker.
He is a homemaker.
She is a homemaker.
Yes. So do they have kids? Do they have children? Mama. Do they have children?
Your voice is not audible.
I am not audible you properly. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What happened?
Yes, ma'am. Now
Yes. Yes.
I can hear you.
Okay. So do they have kids? Do they have children? Hello.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking now also.
So how will you say your voice is breaking up?
Your voice is cracking.
Your voice is breaking up. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible you? Can you hear me properly?
Your voice is cracking.
Okay. I don't know what is happening, but it is showing good network here. Am I audible now? Can you hear me properly? Is it still breaking?
No, ma'am.
Is it breaking up? Hello.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking up.
Okay. Let me check. Wait a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
I was saying, how will you say your voice is breaking up?
Your voice is breaking up.
Yes. So now is it perfect?
Yes.
I was asking, do they have children?
No, ma'am.
Yes. You have to speak a full sentence.
They don't have children.
Yes. Very good. Let's discuss superpower. Do you know what are superpowers? Superpowers, magic powers, like you can fly.
It is God power.
Superpowers, yes. So do you watch superhero movies? Do you watch superhero cartoons? Do you watch superhero movies or cartoons?
No, ma'am.
No, you don't watch Iron Man, Spider Man, Superwoman, Batman. No. Okay, so I'll ask you some question. If you could have one superpower, what would it be? If you could have one superpower,
Remember?
if you could have one superpower, what would be? अगर आपके पास कोई सुपर पावर होती तो क्या होती बताओ? Seerath, you are not visible. Please come in front of camera. Yes. Superpower. Okay, I will let you know. Power of flying. You can fly, right? Power of invisibility, right? You can move one place to another, but no one can see you.
I want
Yes.
I want power of flying.
Power of flying. So where you want to fly? Tell me.
In air.
In the air. Okay, where will you go? Where will you
My
go?
brother house.
Okay, where does your brother live?
My brother's house.
Where does he live?
Faridabad.
Okay, Faridabad. Very good. Yes. Hmm. And what else? What other places?
Noida.
Yes, Noida. Yeah, apart from Noida, where would you fly?
My
Any other places?
my chachu's house.
Okay, where does he live?
In Noida.
Noida. Yes. Apart from Noida. Okay. So I am assuming you have visited Noida, right? After Noida, where will you go? Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Where would you go?
Ma'am, Panipat.
Panipat. So how will you say full sentence?
I want to go Faridabad,
Hmm.
then Noida, and
Hmm.
then Panipat.
Panipat. Yes. Who lives there? Who lives in Panipat?
My nani.
Full sentence.
In Panipat. My nani lives in Panipat.
Yes. Okay, your nani lives in Panipat. Yes. So you have explored three places, and after Panipat, where will you go? You can tell me some places apart from India,
In
like
Surat.
Surat. Yes.
Surat.
Yes. Who lives in Surat?
My cousins live there.
Okay, your brother lives there. Yes. And if
My cousins live there.
okay, if you could get a chance to visit abroad, abroad. Abroad means foreign.
Ma'am,
Abroad means foreign countries, right? Other than India, foreign countries. And if sorry,
I want to go London.
okay, you would fly to London. Very good. Yes. Uh, what else?
I want to go Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Okay. Who lives there?
Chandigarh. There is a fun city.
Okay. So, do your relatives lives there? Any relatives there?
No man.
No. Okay, nobody lives there, but you want to explore some places, fun places. How will you say? Nobody lives there, but
Nobody lives there, but I want to explore some places.
I want to explore, right? Do you know spelling of explore?
I want to go.
Can you tell me spelling of explore?
I want to visit some places.
Very good. Can you tell me spelling of explore?
I want to visit some places.
Yes. So you can use explore. I want to explore some places in Chandigarh, Rock Garden, Sukna Lake, and Fun City. Right? So you have to tell me spelling of explore. EXPLORE. Explore.
EXPLORE.
Yes, explore. Right? Explore means visit, search, discover. Right? You want to have a fun there.
Maybe your voice is cracking now also.
I don't know what is happening. Is it perfect now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Am I audible? Hello. Seerat, is it still breaking?
Yes, ma'am, it is still breaking.
I don't know what is happening. Hmm. What should I do? Can you hear me now? Still breaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Still breaking up?
No, ma'am.
Actually, today I've changed my place. I am at my mother's house. I think that's why it is happening. So we were talking about power of flying. So you know power of teleportation? Do you know power of teleportation? Teleportation means
No, ma'am.
teleportation means you can move from one place to another but without travel, without moving. You can go from one
One
place,
place to another.
yes, without moving, right? Yes, without travel. You can just disappear from one place and reappear another place. आप एक आप बिना ट्रैवल करे एक वन प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पर यू कैन गो बट नो वन कैन सी यू.
Without traveling.
यस विदाउट ट्रैवल. जैसे अभी आप
Ma'am, your
स्कूल.
voice is cracking now also.
आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. लेट मी चेक.
Your voice is breaking up now also.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So teleportation means, did you get it what I explained it to you?
But ma'am,
Teleportation means you can move, you can go from one place to another, but without travel, without moving. Like disappear and
yes,
reappear.
ma'am.
You can disappear from one place and reappear for another place. आप एक मिनट में गायब हो जाएंगे और दूसरी जगह पे आ जाएंगे. Okay, so that is teleportation. Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you know what power does Spider-Man have?
No, ma'am.
Spider-Man has the power of climbing walls. He can
Ma'am,
climb.
I know one power.
Tell me.
He can, he can climb up without.
Yes, he can climb on the
He
walls.
can climb without stairs.
Yes, he can climb on the walls. Spider-Man can climb on the walls. Hmm?
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so let's do some tongue twister. Okay. Wee Willie Winky
Wee Willie Winky
went walking in the wet woods.
Wee Willie Winky went walking in the wet.
Yes. You are not visible.
Wee Willie Winky Wee Willie Winky went walking in the wet woods.
Yes. Went walking in the wet woods.
Ma'am, my mother needs phone.
Sorry.
My mama needs phone.
Okay. No worries, I am waiting for you. You can give her. I am waiting for you. Okay.
मुझे फोन चाहिए, मुझे काम है, ठीक है?
कितनी देर के लिए चाहिए?